If you use LibreOffice Calc often, one of the simplest things you can learn is how to rename a sheet, and it can make a big difference in keeping your spreadsheet organized. Instead of working with Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or other generic names, you can give each tab a clear label so you always know what your data is for. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to rename a sheet in LibreOffice Calc in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet file saved, you can open that one instead. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the bottom of the window where the sheet tabs are located. These tabs usually show names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or whatever the current sheet name is. Now right-click directly on the sheet tab that you want to rename. A small menu will appear with several options, and from that menu, click Rename Sheet. After you click that option, a small box will appear asking you to enter the new name for the sheet. Type in the name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if your workbook has multiple sheets. For example, you might name it Budget, Expenses, Sales Data, or Contacts, depending on what the sheet contains. Once you've typed the new sheet name, click OK to confirm the change. And that's it. Your sheet will now use the new name immediately. You'll see the Updated tab at the bottom, which makes it much easier to navigate your file and stay organized. This is especially useful when you're working on reports, tracking data, or sharing files with other people, because descriptive sheet names help everyone understand the workbook faster. If you want to rename more sheets, you can repeat the same process for each tab. Just right-click the sheet, choose Rename Sheet, type the new name, and click OK. It's quick, simple, and one of the best little productivity habits you can build in LibreOffice Calc. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and share it with someone who uses LibreOffice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.